Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss about lesson 5, advanced features of Excel. Advanced features of Excel. Chart. Any data which is represented graphically. Means chart is represent graphically or diagram या graph that organize and represent set of numerical या qualitative data. Means chart is represent data in the form of graphics. You can easy way to understand through graphics, through chart, and easy way to analyze. So any data which it represent graphically is called chart. Then the component of the chart. The various component of chart are so given here. First, chart area. Here in this figure, all content. Here the 7 component of chart. 7 component of chart show according to 2 arrow and number. First, chart area. The chart area includes all the area and objects in a chart. Chart area includes all the area and objects in a chart. So it's called chart area. And chart area means here. All these things is called the chart area. Second, category axis. Category axis या x-axis is the horizontal axis of chart. Means horizontal axis of chart is called the category axis. Here horizontal represent two horizontal. Third, value axis. Value axis या y axis is the vertical axis. Vertical axis used to plot the value. Here the vertical axis. Fourth, data series. Data series are the bars, slice, या other element that represent the data value. Data series means represent the data value just like here 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60. These are represent data series. Fifth, category name. The category name are the label which are displayed on the x or y axis. Here the name of the category means represent anything, right? Is called the category name. Either horizontal or vertical. 6. Plot area. The plot area is a window within a chart area. Window within a chart area, it contains the actual chart and include the plotted data, series, category and value. All these things called plot area. Means this one here, the plot area. And chart area means all these things is called chart area, but plot where your chart show. In the same legend, it depicts the colors, patterns, या symbols assigned to a data series. Means here different colors show different things. So this is called the legend. Now creating chart. How to create a chart? To create chart for a data by below steps. Select the data for which you want to create chart. First one, select the data which you want to create a chart. Next step, choose insert tab. Select the chart tab, click on the chart group to see various chart types. When you click the insert tab, here the various chart types. You can easy way to understand there are so many chart types, and select the chart of your choice and click OK to generate the chart. Means after that you select any one chart, and after selecting your chart show in this form. Means select the chart of choice and click OK to generate chart. So this method you can easy way to create chart of your data series. Common types of chart. Some common types of chart used in the MS Access: pie chart, bar chart, column chart, area chart, line chart. Column chart. Show the comparison between one or more series of data points. These column charts are used to show the comparison between one or more series of data points. Stacked. Two comparison of the data point for time period, or stacked clusters. Comparison of three data series for each time period. Means here the comparison. Pie chart. Another frequently used chart is the pie chart. Means first one the bar, then after that pie chart used. A pie chart represents the distribution or proportion of each data item over a total value. Means through the pie chart you can easy way to distribute any items, like here. Just like distribute land, anything you can when you want to distribute, then use pie chart. Next one, the bar chart. A bar chart or bar graph is a chart that represents categorical data with rectangular or vertical bars. Here, so this is called the bar chart. Line chart. It is a type of chart that displays information as a series of data points called marker connected by the straight line segment. It is often used to visualize a trend in data over interval of times. Means through according to your data, line chart vary according to your data. So these are called the line chart. Next one, formatting chart. It's how to format chart. Formatting improve the appearance of chart. Formatting means improve the appearance of chart. We can format a chart by adding title, changing text, font, line, colors, width, border, style, legends, data sheet, etc. Means all these things you formatted. Through formatting a chart, we can also change the number on value axis, hide or show grid line. Means through the formatting means improve the appearance of charts. We can format a chart adding title, changing text, font, color, size, it's all things. It's changing background, color and pattern. How to change background, color, pattern of charts. We can modify a chart by changing its color, pattern and background. Right click on the plot area and select format plot area option, and after that the format plot dialog box appears, look like here. Select the suitable border styles, border color, shadow, etc. according to the requirement. Select it. Click the fill tab and select the solid fill options. You click the fill and you select the color. Click the color button and select the desired color from the drop down menu. After that, click close button and observe the change. When you click the close button and observe the change, means when you select a color, your color show on your chart or not. After that, click the border color tab and select the solid line. Here the border color and the position legend of the chart. Position legend means you show the position of the legend. And after that, click close. The legend will be placed at the bottom of the chart. When you follow, you can easy way to change the background, colors and pattern of a chart. Hopefully you understand all content of this video. Each and every student understand. If you face any problem, call me. My number 8840156170. Thank you.